Ben, thank you. And yeah, I was taking a look at some of the damage I saw yesterday. I was cleaning up a bit from just the water that we had and some flooding in Prince George's County, if you were in Prince George's County.
It was consistent out there last night in Prince George's County, but thankfully the water levels there even have dropped finally, and hopefully we don't have to worry about any more storms through the holiday. That's what we all could use, to say the least. And that is pretty much going to be the case today, though. We're dealing with the last of the wind from this latest storm system. Relatively cloudy looking out across D.C., and even with our zoomed out view, the camera continues to shake as we deal with some of that wind. Now, here's a look out over Hagerstown, pretty similar with the clouds stuck in place. And just a little bit ago, I saw a couple of flurries falling here just above the houses. Tough to see it now, but yeah, that snow was evident out there to the west across western Maryland and West Virginia last night, and even just a little bit into this early afternoon. Now, for sure here, folks, we finally saw the bottom fall out with our temperatures last night, and it is finally feeling much, much colder behind this storm system. Temperatures only in the low 40s around D.C., mid to upper 30s once you hit the Shenandoah Valley and the Allegheny front. And with these winds still locked in place, steady winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting a little higher than that at times, that's producing a wind chill factor that is making it feel very frigid. These wind chill numbers about 10 to 15 degrees below the actual air temperature, so it's feeling more like it's in the 20s to low 30s, and this is a trend that we will be dealing with for the rest of the day. So just be ready to bundle up against the wind and against the cold as you go about the rest of your Tuesday. There's some of that snow I mentioned. Again, a few flurries still hanging on near Hagerstown, but the large majority of the heavier snow in western Maryland has finally come to an end as the backside of this storm system is pulling away, with high pressure returning ever so slowly. So we're only going to see things look up from here, folks, as we move ahead with time. The rest of today, though, we're staying breezy with those cold wind chills in place. But by tonight, even though we'll still have some cold air locked in place, the wind finally calms down, and that will give us a nice sunny but slightly chilly next couple of days through the first day of winter, which is coming up on Thursday. And it looks like our overall weather pattern does remain quiet through the extended period. So heading on toward the Christmas holiday, well, there should not be any major headaches from the weather, at least, as we head into the upcoming holiday weekend. Now, here's a good look as we go toward the late afternoon, early evening here on your Tuesday. Those wind gusts will continue to drop off. Thankfully enough, we should still have steady winds, 15 to 25 miles an hour through the evening time. But here we go, right through your Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Finally, the lighter winds will prevail as things do look to calm down a lot more so into the day tomorrow. So that means we do have a little ways to go before the wind chill is not as much of an issue. But here you go. The rest of the day today, 20s and 30s. That's what it's going to be feeling like out there with the wind, with the colder temperatures. Now, as that wind slowly calms down, we won't be dealing with that wind chill as much. This right here, that's what the actual temperature could be out there as well. We're talking upper 20s, low 30s is what we're going to experience out there later tonight. So yes, we're finally going to see things improve. And look at that, it's quiet as can be, a little chilly through Friday with temperatures in the 40s. But we're looking at 50s making a return as we stay relatively quiet heading into Christmas Day.